It is a time for us to discuss and to write to get answer for the test questions which are there, page number 83, and that is the chapter body movement. So here the first question is define joints. So define joint. Joint is a place where two bones are joined, and that joining place of two bones is called as a joint. So in our body there are different types of joints are there, and ball and socket joint, and pivotal joint, and so hinge joint, and so gliding joints. Like that, many joints are there. Joint is a place where the two bones are joined, and that place is called a joint. The first question is over. And second question, what are the movable joints? Explain with example. In our body, there are four types of joints are present. So the first one is hinge joint, and they are present in elbow region, also knee region, and also lower jaw, and also fingers. And second type of joints, mobile joints, are called as ball and socket, and they are present in shoulders and also and hip joint. And the third type of joints are pivotal joint. Here we see the head is fixed on a neck and vertebral joint, that is pivotal joint. And these joints are mobile joints. And another type of joints we can see in our body, they are fixed joints. Fixed joints are present in the skull. And third question, what are triceps? So triceps are the muscles which are present in the forearm, and they are also called as extensor muscles. And give example for ball and socket joint. So here ball and socket joints are present in shoulder region and pectoral region and also hip region, and that is pelvic region. And here humerus they form as what a ball, and here you see the presence of a socket type and shoulder region, and here ball and socket type structure observed at the joint. So that joint is called as ball and socket joint, and they also called as synovial joint. It allows the movement of these bones in many planes. And give one example of fixed joint. So here fixed joints are present in the skull, and our skull is made up of 22 bones. Out of 22 bones, 8 bones they form as cranium, and they're flat, and remaining bones are not mobile except what lower jaw bones, and those bones are called as fixed bones, fixed joints. And next, what is the other name for flexor muscle? Flexor muscles are called as biceps. Name the joint present between the bones of wrist and so ankle. Gliding joints, wrist and ankles, and gliding joints are present. The head of dash fits into a socket of the shoulder bone. The head of humerus fixed into the socket of the shoulder bone. So here you denote the head of the humerus. Pivot joint occur in the forearm near the elbow. True or false? False. So pivot joint present here where the skull is sits on the neck region. And there are more than 600 big and small muscles in our body. True or false? Yes. So here our body consists of more than 600 muscles, and number of bones are 206. The number of muscles are more than 600 big or small muscles, and these muscles help the bones, they move, they allow the movements of our body parts and joints. So here we discuss 10 in-test question, and also we discuss so what are the different types of joints which are present in body, and mobile joint, also fixed joint, and also we discuss clearly the description about all the giants, and also we discuss the 10 in-test question. Children, now it is time for us to watch Nichols Lens app.